How to get the subconscious mind to work for you? The first thing to realize that your subconscious mind is always working. It is active night and day, whether you act upon it or not. Your subconscious mind is the builder of your body, but you cannot consciously perceive or hear that inner silent process. Your business is with your conscious mind and not your subconscious mind. Just keep your conscious mind busy with the expectation of the best and make sure the thoughts your habitual think are based on whatever think are lovely, true, just of good report. Begin now to take care of your subconscious mind and knowing in your heart and soul that your subconscious mind is always expressing, reproducing and manifesting according to your habitual thinking. Remember, just as the water take the shape of the pipe it flows through, the life principle is your flows through. Your healing presence in your subconscious mind is flowing through you as harmony, heart and peace, joy, that abundance. Think of it as a living intelligence, a lovely companion on the way, firmly, and believe it is continuously flowing through your vivifying and inspiring and prospering you. It will respond exactly this way. It is done unto you.